Hello mates, today we will study about cases and check constraint in SQL. So I have already created this database named as PracticeDB, and I've clicked on new query. So first I am selecting table named as customer. Let's see what we have in it. So we have got customer name, customer address, city and gender, and there are multiple records, 6 to 7 records, and now I am creating a case and putting some conditions. Select customer name, customer address, city, case, when gender equals to male, then else F and S cus gender, and from which table we are selecting this data? From customer. Yeah. So what I have done here, I have written a case here, and case when gender equals to male, it means when gender is male, then it will write M next to it, and if the gender is female, then it will write F next to it. And I have given a random column name here, cus gender. So let's see the result. Let's execute it. So you can see here an output where the customer name is Shahid. It is showing me its gender as M because Shahid is male, and where the customer name is Aisha, it is showing me cus gender F because obviously Aisha is female, so that is why. Now let's select another table. Select asterisk from person. I'm executing it. So what we have here, we have got person name, person address, gender and age. Now I am putting a check constraint on age column. So now let's see how I will do it. Alter table person add constraint, and I'm giving random constraint name. Age underscore PR check age between 18 and 55. So what it is doing, I have put it a check constraint on age column, and it will allow me to add record only between this age range. For example, if I insert a record with age 17, then it will not allow me and restrict me from adding, because it is not 17 is not between this age range. I can show you here how it is working. Insert into person, so name, person address, and gender and age values. And I am writing age here 17. Now let's see if it allows me to add this record or not. Let's check it. So it is giving me message, the insert statement conflicted with the check constraint age per. The conflict this. So the statement has been terminated because of this constraint. I hope you understand something about cases and check constraint in database. Thank you for your time. Please share this video and subscribe my channel for more stuff like this. Thank you.